Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa for another video. So today I have nothing to show you. We're quickly gonna go ahead down to our canvas, and I am working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas. It is already pre-flooded with Oxide Black by Amsterdam, okay? And I'll show you the colors that we're gonna be layering on top for our beautiful flow. Let's go ahead and get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, hello. So we're at the canvas. This is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. Has been flooded with Oxide Black by Amsterdam, okay? Now, the colors that we're gonna be using, we're gonna be starting with Pearl White by Amsterdam, okay? Let me just think, how do I want this? Okay. So I am gonna go here. And I'm gonna go here. Okay. My next color is Peacock Pearl by DecoArt. Beautiful color. I haven't used this in a while. Remember, with the DecoArt, you have to be very light-handed because it tends to take over. So we're gonna go right there. So next color is Turquoise Green Light by Amsterdam. Look how beautiful that color is. And this is a new color by Amsterdam. Beautiful color. Okay. My next color is Pearl Ivory by DecoArt. Okay, Pearl Ivory. I've used this before. This one is a lot like the Pearl Cream by Arteza. Next I have Teal Green, again DecoArt. So I have like 3 DecoArts. I want to be very light-handed. I love the color combo. And last, I have Metallic Black by Amsterdam. So Metallic Black, and I'm only going to use a little bit of this. So very light-handed. Okay. All right. So those are my colors. I moved them out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and torch out the air bubbles. And we're going to begin. And I'm going to begin at the top here. I'm trying to figure out how I want to start this. wow, this is gorgeous. I love the negative space in this one. I'm gonna open up some black in here. So I'm just gonna blow in here. Beautiful, love it. With my finger, I'm just gonna draw this one, make this kind of softer edge. Gorgeous. I'm gonna come around and I'm just gonna blow in here so I can kind of like break this up here. You see how it breaks it up? Gorgeous. I don't think there's anything else I want to do here. I'm gonna clean up the edges and show you how gorgeous the cells are developing in this one. Okay, come on, let's get down here. Okay, everyone, so I came on the side and look how gorgeous this blowout looks. Absolutely beautiful. Look at it horizontal. This is not how I blew it out. I did vertical, but I am trying to get the whole canvas in view so that you can see the horizontal orientation and how gorgeous it just turns out. It's just beautiful. So a lot of cells, a lot of reaction with these paints. This is absolutely a burst. So I'm gonna take you in closer. I'm gonna start at this petal and take a look at it. Look at all those cells in there. I love how I blew it out. Look how it fans out into this petal. Check the ginormous clusters of cells right in here. Beautiful. Check her out. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the end of that petal there. And now we're gonna go into the next petal. Wow, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. All throughout, you see, look at this beautiful cellular reaction. Clusters among clusters. It's just absolutely a stunner. Tell me what you guys think about this beauty. I am in love with it. Absolutely a winner. Will have a lot of shine. Look at it. Well, guys, there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Thank you for your support, for your comments, for your likes and your shares. And tell me what you think about this one. I can't stop looking at it. It's just gorgeous. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.